What's up, you guys? If you're new or returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny Dove, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful deeply waved wig that was sent to me by ISHOW Hair. As you saw previously in the video, the hair came in this beautiful pink box like this. I absolutely love the packaging. I feel like it's very cute and very professional. It also came with a wig net, and it also came with a little card right here. This wig is 24 inches long. This is their deep wave curly unit. I'll be sure to leave all the information you need to purchase this unit. You guys, this is the first human hair wig that is being presented on my channel, so we are definitely coming up in the YouTube world, you guys. I'm so excited to not only wear this beautiful hair, but to show you how natural it looks like. If you are a constant watcher of my channel, you know I absolutely love my baby hairs. Like, I live by them. I always install my wigs with baby hairs, but I am in love with how natural the hairline looks. I didn't feel the need to put some baby hairs in there, you know what I'm saying? Like, this hairline is absolutely gorgeous. I did not pluck anything. I didn't feel the need to bleach the knots. So I wanted to show you guys a quick, easy, and simple way to install your unit and make it look really, really nice, you guys. The lace was very soft. It gives you a good amount of parting. I would say this is about like maybe 4 inches of parting. It was ear to ear. The hair is on the thinner side of life. It's not too thick. This is all the hair right here, you guys. In my personal opinion, I'm not too mad at it because you don't want too much hair in the first place. I feel like this wig is very manageable, very natural looking. It's not too much hair where it's like overcrowding your face. It's just the right amount, and the hair is very soft. I only got a few strands of hair while I was brushing it out and combing it. It's very soft. It took very well to the product that I used. I will leave all the products and everything that I used to construct this wig down in the description box. So make sure before you click out of the video, you get all the information you need to create this beautiful look. I am a middle part girl, so I will probably be wearing the wig in the middle for the most part. There were a few little flyaways at the top, but as you saw during the video, I took some gel and just kind of flattened out the top a little bit. I tried to flat iron it, but I didn't really want to damage the hair with heat, so I transitioned from trying to flat iron the top to just gelling it down. If you have mousse, which I highly recommend, if you have mousse, you guys, that would probably be a better thing to use at the top of the wig. It works either way it goes. Look at this hair, you guys. Like, you deserve this hair, sis. The holidays is coming up. You know, they'll probably have a few sales. Like I said before, if you make a simple video that's over 4 minutes, you can get $20 off your next purchase. That is a steal. Once again, this hair and this video is being brought to you by ISHOW Hair. I did go on YouTube and watched a few videos. It's a bunch of mixed reviews, some good, some bad, but I'm giving you my honest opinion. The professionalism and how they construct their units and how they send them out, in my opinion, is very nice. I like the fact that the hairline is pretty natural for the most part. You don't have to do anything. This is what the hairline's looking like without doing anything to it. So if you're like me and you like to customize your wigs, like, you have the option to do so. But if you're also like me and you like to, you know, have low maintenance wigs, this is definitely a unit you must have, you guys. The shipping was pretty fast. The wig took no more than like a week and a half to come. The only con that I will say is that the hair has a faint factory kind of smell to it. So, you know, some companies, like, their hair does have like a strong smell to it, but that can easily be resolved with, you know, washing the hair, because this is 100% human hair. So honey, you can wash it, condition it, do whatever you got to do. And if you don't want to go through all of that, I've heard putting a little bit of fabric softener in your squirt bottle, you know, spritzing the hair can reduce the smell. I just use my conditioner, and the gel I use is really strong. It smells really good. So, you know, like putting product in your unit and making it your own will definitely get the smell out real quick. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm trying to tell you guys, big things are coming to this channel. As you can tell, like, we're coming up, so you don't want to miss what's in store, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone that takes the time to support me. All I can say is it's working, you guys. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss the video, and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.